Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowering, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm discussing what is grounding, or you may have heard the term earthing. So earthing or grounding, what is it? That's exactly what I'll be discussing today. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure that you're subscribed and click that bell. By turning on your notifications, you'll always get my newest and latest uploads. So what is grounding? Maybe you've heard of it, maybe it's something that you practice. What it is connecting with the earth, and what that means is getting barefoot, even bare hands on the earth, and especially doing this first thing in the morning is a great way to start your day. And why do we want to ground? Well, it has very anti-inflammatory effects for our body, also affects our blood viscosity, meaning the thickness of our blood. And this is great because now we're bringing in the earth's electrons into our body as we're supposed to. Think about animals that are, bare feet or hooves or paws on the earth. They're bringing in those negative electrons. Well, we're supposed to do this as humans as well. And when we become disconnected from the earth by wearing rubber shoes and not ever connecting with the earth fully, this becomes a problem for our health, and we get inflamed and we disconnect and our circadian rhythms get out of sync. So important that we are grounding or earthing every single day, and especially first thing during your day to set up your circadian rhythm for the rest of the day. Now, when we talk about, and this is a question that I had from my live Q&A show, was what if you live in a colder temperature like I do here in Canada and it's snowy and cold outside? How do you still get the benefits of earthing without getting frostbite and going out with bare feet on the snow? So you can actually work your way up to getting out there with bare feet on the snow, but one little tip or hack is to wear woolen socks. And if you wear woolen socks, that gives a bit of a barrier between your bare feet and the snow and the earth, and you'll still be able to get the positive benefits of those electrons from the earth's surface. And now remember, you don't have to stay out there for too long, but you'll still get those benefits if you wear those wool socks. So if you're a Canadian like I am, I want you to try this and see how that works for you even on the coldest days with the snow on the ground. Another tip is to go out on your front porch. So if you have a concrete front porch, most likely that's grounded, and this is something that I do in my own home. I love to look at that morning sun, and I sit on the grounded porch and I'm able to connect in that way with those electrons from the earth. Another thing that you can do if you have a stone fireplace in your home is to sit or be touching, have your feet up against that stone fireplace, and most times that stone fireplace is grounded as well. And if you have a concrete floor in your basement. So most times when concrete is poured in a basement for the foundation of a home, there's no water barrier under there, so it is connected with the earth. So going barefoot on your basement floor is another way that you can ground yourself every single day. So thanks for joining me today. I hope that you learned something new. Please give me a big thumbs up. Be sure that you're subscribed, and also you've turned on your notifications by clicking that bell. And remember to always take care of your good health and to do it naturally.